Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple and quick vegetable filling. It's good for samosa and spring roll. Don't go anywhere. For the filling, you need some onions and vegetables. The full ingredients will be in the description box below. Now let's get started. In your pan, go with some vegetable oil. Add the onions, that's the white onions and the purple onions. We're going to saute these until they are soft and translucent. Next, you want to go into your cabbage. The quantity of vegetable depends on the quantity of filling you are making. Next, going with your carrots. You can either dice it or you can grate it. It depends on your choice. Stir this until it is properly combined together. For the seasoning, I use some bouillon cubes, ginger garlic powder, some salt, some chili flakes. I also added some sauce, which is the soy sauce, the fish sauce, and also the sesame sauce. Using this sauce takes your filling to the next level. I highly recommend it if you are making vegetable filling. Now stir that until it is well combined and properly cooked. Next, go with your spring onions and stir this until everything is properly cooked and combined. Transfer this into a bowl or a tray to allow it to cool faster before using it for your samosa or your spring roll. This was so nice and so juicy. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you haven't. See you in my next video and thanks for watching. Bye.